This video I will be using and reviewing the FlexZone. So FlexZone is a product made to basically do surfacing and cross-hatching to your engine at home. It comes on a rod, you put it into a drill, and you're supposed to oil the cylinder and use FlexZone. It's supposed to give you a cross-hatching look. Now on the box it says not to use anything too high powered. Does not exceed 800 RPM. It says if you want to do 45-degree cross-hatching, you can go a little faster. But essentially what it does is you put it on the end of the drill. I was using a Milwaukee 12 volt because I know it's not going to go any higher than 800 RPM. And you use it on the cylinders of your engine. So you're supposed to lube up the cylinders using 10W30 FlexZone lube. Online it said a lot of reviews use WD-40, so that's what I used. And it comes out fairly clean, you know, for a product that's $40. Not too bad. What you want to do is you want to take WD-40 or whatever the lubricant you're using. I'll go ahead and coat the inside of the cylinder. Then you want to go ahead and take your drill or your hone or whatever it is you choose to use, whichever tool you're using, to use the FlexZone. And you want to go ahead, start your timer. Then you want to enter the cylinder with it moving. You just want to keep it rotating and pulse up and down. And just like that. You know, for anyone skeptical, this is what cylinder looks like before I use the FlexZone. So you can see it's pretty worn. It's got the glazing. There's some high mileage on it, but there's nothing crazy that constitutes getting it rebored. So I'll show you what it looks like after use of FlexZone. Like after you're using the FlexZone tool for about 40 seconds. Mind you, it's not completely cleaned up, but as you can see, it's got some of the cross-hatching back. It's a lot cleaner than it was. After one more cycle, it should be near perfect. So overall, I'm going to say it's a pretty good tool for $40. Saves you a trip to the machine shop for about $400. Giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more 351 build videos and stay tuned. I will be putting on the timing chain, the cam, and crank soon enough.